Hi, today I'll be showing you 3 simple steps to install NMC crown molding. We have all our materials here, so let's get started. We recommend painting your crown molding the day before you install your project. NMC crown moldings are easily paintable with any latex paint. One thing to note about NMC crown moldings is that they come 6.5 feet in length. This makes it easy for one man or woman to install each length completely on their own. You can sand the edges with a 150 grit sandpaper or finer and use a damp cloth or sponge to remove any excess dust. Wipe away excess P5 glue with your finger or a damp towel.